Hi there. In this video, we'll explore potential high fan speed issues caused by upgrades to your Dell PowerEdge server. If you've upgraded your system or are planning to, some upgrades may require additional parts like memory or fans to maintain a stable working environment. Refer to your system's user manual available online or consult your Dell representative to check if your system needs more fans or upgrades to the existing ones. For example, some systems come with a single CPU but can accommodate a second one. Upgrading to a second CPU typically involves removing the CPU blank, adding the additional CPU with identical stepping, extra memory, and often an additional fan. Certain systems may require upgrading all standard fans to silver or gold fans. GPU upgrades often need additional risers, supporting cables, and extra cooling depending on the original layout and installed fans. PCIe cards and NVMe drives may necessitate checking cooling expectations post-installation, as cooling requirements might dictate additional or more powerful fans. Given the various layout combinations and upgrade possibilities, ensure you have everything needed to maintain the correct cooling environment before starting the upgrade. After upgrading, if you believe you have the correct cooling solution but are still experiencing high fan speeds, refer to the knowledge base article in the description below for further troubleshooting steps. And that's it. For more information on this topic, check out the links in the description below and check out our other videos for more handy tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.